Hello guys, how are you doing today? Hope you're having an amazing day today. In today's video, I'll be talking about top splendid short braids hairstyles every woman should try in 2024. And as we dive in, please don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the notification bell for more videos like this. And if you are new here, please also like and subscribe and hit the bell icon for more upcoming videos. Now let's talk about short braids hairstyle every woman should try in 2024. Short braids are becoming increasingly popular for women who want a stylish yet low-maintenance look. These trendy hairstyles provide a chic alternative to longer braids, offering versatility and ease without sacrificing style. From sleek bob length braids to intricate corrows designs, short braids are perfect for various occasions, making them a must-try for any woman looking to switch up her hairstyle. Bob length box braids offer a sophisticated look with braids ending at the chin or shoulder for a clean, polished appearance. They are easy to style in different ways, such as half up, accessorize, or simply down. Short knotless braids are another great option, known for their natural look and gentle feel on the scalp. This style is perfect for everyday wear and can be customized with accessories or coily ends for a unique touch. For a playful and edgy style, pixie braids may make the look of a pixie haircut but with the texture of tiny and short braids. These braids are easy to manage and can be styled in various ways, making them a fun choice for women who love short hair with a twist. Short Senegalese twists offer a sleek and refined option, ideal for both casual and formal settings, providing a polished, rope-like appearance. Short braided updo combine the elegance of an updo with the practicality of short braids. This style involves braiding the hair close to the scalp and binding it up, making it perfect for formal events or professional settings. Corrow bobs and bold and modern, merging classic corrows with the sleekness of a bob for an edge structure look. Short tribal braids add cultural richness to any look, incorporating intricate patterns and accessorized like beads and shells. They are perfect for those who want to embrace the heritage while maintaining a fashionable appearance. Twisted braids are a voluminous option that combines braids with a coily, textured effect, giving a lively and youthful vibe. Another stylish option is short box braids with curly ends, blending structure, braids with soft, coily tips for added movement and personality. Finally, the tampered braided cut combines braids with a short tampered haircut for a bold, edge style that is easy to maintain. Overall, short braids provide a wide range of stylish, manageable options for women looking to experiment with their hair. They offer the perfect balance of fashion and function, making them a top choice for any woman seeking a chic and versatile hairstyle. Now I will love you to take your time to watch the video and embrace the amazing style of your choice. And don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell icon for upcoming videos. Bye.